कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. With my body, my speech, my mind or my sense organs, through my intellect, my sense of self or my natural tendencies, whatever actions I perform, all of it is towards the Supreme Being. By saying Narayanaya, I submit my offering. Om Namo Narayanaaya. वृकभृगुमुनिमोहिन्यम्बरीषादिवृत्तेष्वयितवहि महत्त्वं सर्वशर्वादिजयित्रम् स्थितमिह परमात्मन् निष्कलार्वागभिन्नं किमपि यदवभातं तद्धि रूपं तवैव. The incidents with Vrikasura, sage Bhrigu, Mohini, Ambarisha and others depict your glory alone, which is victorious over Indra, Shiva and others. It is established now, O Supreme Being, non-apparent, apparent or non-dual, whatever is indescribable or understood, all of it points to your form itself. मूर्तित्रयेश्वर सदाशिव पञ्चकन्यत् प्राहुः परात्मवपुरेव सदाशिवोऽस्मिन् तत्रेश्वरस्तु स विकुण्ठपदस्त्वमेव त्रित्वं पुनर्भजसि सत्यपदे त्रिभागे. The Trinity, the fivefold expression of Shiva, that which is spoken of as Sadashiva, you are verily it, O Supreme One. You are Ishvara and you are Vishnu in the abode of Vaikuntha. You yourself are manifest as Brahma in Satyaloka too by assuming a threefold manifestation. Tatrapi sattvikatanuntava Vishnu mahuhu धाता तु सत्त्वविरलो रजसैव पूर्णः सत्त्वोत्कटत्वमपि चास्ति तमो विकारचेष्टादिकं च तव शङ्करनाम्नि मूर्तौ. There again, the sattvic manifestation is referred to as Vishnu. Brahma is filled with rajas with only a trace of sattva, and despite having an abundance of sattva, with an expression of tamas in all the activities, you yourself are known by the name of Shankara. Tancha trimurtyati gatam parapurushan sharvatmanapi khalu sarvamayatva hetoho shansantyupasana vidhau tadapi svatastu Tvadrupamityati dridham bahunaf pramanam. That you, who is beyond even the trinity of Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, as even Sharva because of the all-pervading nature, don't people praise you thus during Upasana? That is indeed your true form, which is evident to us in many ways. Shri Shankaropi Bhagavan Sakaleshu Tavat Tvameva Manayati Yo Nahi Pakshapati Tvannishtameva Sahinama Sahasrakadi Vyakhyad Bhavat Stuti Parascha Gatin Gatonte. Even Bhagavan Shri Shankaracharya, in all that exists, he describes you alone as he is not partial towards any. Devotion to you alone through Vishnu Sahasranama and other chants describing your glories, he attained to the ultimate abode at the end. मूर्तित्रयातिगमुवाच च मन्त्रशास्त्रस्यादौ कलाय सुषमं सकलेश्वरं त्वाम् ध्यानं च निष्कलमसौ प्रणवे खलूक्त्वा त्वामेव तत्र सकलं निजगाद नान्यम्. He also described you as being beyond the three Murtis in the beginning of Mantra Shastra, as being the Lord of everything and of the hue of a blue water lily, and mentioning your meditation through the pure sound Pranava, he mentioned you alone and no other as being everything that exists. Samastasare cha Purana Sangrahe विसंशयन्त्वन्महिमैव वर्ण्यते त्रिमूर्तियुक् सत्यपदत्रिभागत परं पदन्ते कथितन्न शूलिनः. In the collection of all Puranas, the essence of everything, it is your glories which are described without any doubt, inclusive of the Trimurtis who have been split into three from the single truth. That supreme abode of the beyond is said to be yours and not even of Lord Shiva. Yad brahma kalpa iha bhagavatadvitiya skandhoditam vapuranavritamisha dhatre tasyaiva nama harisharva mukham jagada Shrimadhava Shiva Paropi Purana Sare. During Brahma Kalpa, mentioned in the second skandha of Bhagavata Puranam, the description of your unbounded form, O Lord, which was shown to Brahma, that itself has been described by the names of Hari, Sharva and others by Madhavacharya in Purana Sara, despite him being a staunch devotee of Shiva. Ye svaprakrtyanu girisham bhajante tesham phalam hi dridhayaiva tadiya bhaktya vyaso hi tena kritavan adhikari hetoho skandadikeshu tavahani vachorthavadaihe. Those who, following their tendencies, worship Shiva, the results of their devotion are certain to be obtained. Sage Vyasa himself has authoritatively mentioned this in Skanda and other Puranas by showing you as inferior to him, but with deeper words of meaning. Bhutartha kirtiranuvada viruddhavadau त्रेधार्थवादगतयः खलु रोचनार्थाः स्कान्दादिकेषु बहवोऽत्र विरुद्धवादाः त्वत्तामसत्त्वपरिभूत्युपशिक्षणाद्याः. Stating attributes that already exist, stating extrapolated truths, and stating assumed negations. Aren't these the three ways of beautifully presenting the essence of something? In Skanda and many other Puranas, assumed negations exist regarding Tamoguna in you, situations where you failed, or when you were instructed by others and such. Yat kinchidapya vidushapi vibho mayoktam तन्मन्त्रशास्त्रवचनाद्यभिदृष्टमेव व्यासोक्तिसारमयभागवतोपगीत क्लेशान् विधूय कुरु भक्तिभरं परात्मन्. What little has been spoken by me in my ignorance, O Vibhu, I have only said so by seeing the statements of Mantra Shastra. O Lord, whose glories are sung by Vyasa as the essence of Bhagavata Purana, remove my afflictions and fill me with devotion, O Supreme One.